Okay, so this is my script for the basic combat system. I've got a cube as my enemy, have his health at 25 seconds. Every second that the player is inside the trigger object, the health of the enemy will go down 1. And then once the enemy is killed, then the respawn script will activate and has a 5-second cooldown. Upon the completion of the 5-second cooldown, it will basically reset the combat. So let's take a look at how this is going to work. So once I walk into the trigger object here, and as long as I stay in it, it'll go down. But if I go out of it, like you see there, it'll stop. So once this thing gets back down to 0, you'll see this little respawn script over on the right begin to tick down. So you see the respawn timer is now ticking down, and once that hits 0, it resets it back and the enemy respawns. And same thing, if I walk out, nothing happens, but if I walk back into the trigger, he starts losing health. So that's my little project.